Hello everyone. I have made my first dollar on Upwork. See here, $65. It was about 1 month, more than 1 month, almost 40 days ago, and I didn't have that much time to record this video. So I am making this video right now. So this is the project which I have done. One simple short UI MetaHuman head animation. So if you don't know, MetaHuman are the digital characters like this. Here you can see they are digital characters like this. You can animate, use for other different kind of stuff in MetaHuman, make use for movies etc. So this client given this job on Upwork, you can see here, just need help with one simple short animation using Unreal Engine Live Link Hub. So he posted and I seen this job after a few hours. That time I started Upwork. I think this was my first day of applying. So I started here and I applied here this job. You can see here. I was hired one. So that many not people has applied because it was a low job, low money job, and the client wanted quick. Okay, so I took for people who are starting on Upwork. Here is the thing: how to get your first client. So you should try for the job which is urgent, like people want in few hours in the first, like this job he wanted very fast. Like I have asked him in how many hours do you want it. So he say has as much fast as is possible. So I said in 2 hours, but so he say okay, let's do it. So he has sent me the contract, and then after that I it took me I given him on the second date, I think. Like I said today, like, but I have given day after today, next day, cause weather was bad, that's kind of stuff. And also, for example, if you will try to get your first client like this, like $1,500, $2,000, and you rating like this was my first job, so I will not have any earnings and rating that time. So also he has not given any rating cause I have also not asked right now. I should have asked. So if you don't have any rating here, so what will happen here is people will think he is a new freelancer, he will not do the job correctly. But if you have fewer like 5-star rating, 3 4, then people will think this he can do the good job because 100% job success rate, good rating. Okay, but in start you don't have this, so will have to take your advantage. For example, people are lazy, like they will not want to do the work right now. If the client given work right now, posted 1 hour ago, and he will say I want today, so many people will not try that. But I have seen many time on a work like this. I have seen many job posting where people was hired on the first day. Like many job openings, you will see that people are not hired from like 1 week, 2 week, and your Upwork uses connects. Connects are used for proposing on the job, so you can use connects. You have to buy that. So your connects I have tried on many jobs, so my connect got wasted. But I have seen a pattern. The pattern was that on the job where they want on the first day in few hours, they hired instantly, and they also not see that you how much rating are there. Some of them see, some of not that. So your highest bet is that trying on that type of job where they want it quick, so they don't that much hard. It is simple job. You should not aim for hard job, you should aim for simple job at first that you can do immediately. Yeah, so this is how I have earned my first dollar on Upwork. And right now I am trying different kind of niche on Upwork, learning different kinds of stuff. Like I know 3D animation, coding, AI automation, that kind of stuff I am trying all around, figuring out my niche. So you should also figure out your niche. Okay, and also if you know other tips to get your clients, you can comment down below. And now this channel was like on tech, about programming and this type of stuff. Now I am converting this channel into freelancing on Upwork. So if you are interested on freelancing on Upwork, you should subscribe my channel, and I will be posting my next video about different kind of lesson I learned and more dollars I earned. Okay, and I will see you in my next video.